we go back to the king, when we go back to originally bartering and trading, and we move from bartering and trading to having an object that represented a value. And that's what we have with the Bitcoin. We have a digital object. And now that it's taking and people will use it and receive it to give you a good or service, it now has value. Now, the thing about the Bitcoin is that there are only 21 million. And so those 21 million, it's not where anyone is ever going to say, okay, here's 21 million more. No, you're stuck with what you got. And because you're stuck with what you got, when people, it's like if you only make 1,000 cars, 1,000 vets, you make 1,000 2021 vets, then the people that want the vet are going to demand, and they're going to pay more for it because they want it. And so as you get more and more people who are taking this coin, then there's going to be a greater demand to have that coin. And so as you don't have any more supply, you're just going to have an increase in demand. And if there is a limited supply and a greater demand, that is what's driving the actual price up.